Behind me is the most affordable camper that can comfortably sleep 6. This cheap but trusty camper is a 2024 Wildwood FSX 178 BHSK. We're knocking roughly 11,000 bones off the MSRP, totaling in at 22,988 bones. And with our nationwide financing, we could probably get that to you for about 186 bones per month. Pretty standard out back. You got your outdoor shower, spare toiler over here, mount for your outdoor camera, and ladder to your fully walkable roof. In our outdoor camp kitchen here, we do have a nice flat top griddle. To the left of that, we have our mini fridge. They've tucked it away in the corner, so it's no longer like right above there. You're not gonna burn your hands trying to get a beer while you're cooking your burgies. It's freezing out in this John, so I'm gonna head up inside. Wowee zowie. Nice and compact in here. We got a Murphy bed, we got a U-shaped dinette and our slide, and then 2 bunks in the very back. These bunks here are double over double, but they are corner cut, and that's a pretty big cut, so like only about half of that double bed is truly a double bed. To the right, in the other corner, we have our rear bathroom. We got a plastic foot flush down below, self-opening shower curtain thing, that's pretty neat. Back out to the kitchen area, our refrigerator here. Double-sided hinges. Holy guacamole. What? See, this is why I don't like these. You gotta... I don't know. Maybe I'm just not good at it. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this, guys. See, I'm not. I don't understand. It's stupid. It's stupid. I can't get it shut. Chat, we got it. Chat, we got... Oh, no. Chat, you gotta slam it really hard, apparently. There is a 2-burner gas stove in here and a microwave. However, there is no oven. Cry about it. U-shaped dinette. This will convert into sleeping. Boom, and now you got a full... Actually, it's more of a queen bed. If you get rid of those ones on the back, that's about a queen bed. And then, obviously, our Murphy bed. That will fold down as well. Bop, and now you got sleeping for 2 here, and 2 more here, so that's 6 sleeping spots total. Some bonus features: we do have the CPAP machine cubby holes on either nightstand. We do have a nice stack of 2 storage bins. Sink is undermount, so you can wipe them crumbs right in there. And then we do have a Bluetooth speaker mounted up on the wall here. Pretty nifty. If you got any questions on this, John, do not hesitate to give me a call. The phone is in the bio.